If you love thrill and chills, you're in for a treat. Today, we'll be taking you on a spooky journey to some of the world's scariest hotels that are sure to send a shiver down your spine. From haunted mansions to eerie inns, these places are not for the faint of heart. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with more creepy content like this. Let's dive into the world of ghostly experiences, where history and mystery collide to create a chilling atmosphere. 1. The Stanley Hotel, Colorado, USA. The Stanley Hotel in Estes Park, Colorado, is perhaps one of the most famous haunted hotels in the world. This grand hotel, built in 1909, has been the subject of numerous ghost stories and paranormal investigations over the years. The hotel inspired Stephen King's The Shining, which immortalized its eerie atmosphere in fiction. Guests at the Stanley Hotel have reported hearing ghostly laughter, footsteps in empty hallways, and strange cold spots. One of the most well-known ghosts said to haunt the hotel is that of its founder, F.O. Stanley, and his wife, Flora. Their spirits are often seen wandering the Grand Hotel. Some guests have even claimed to have encountered them in the hotel's lobby or near the stairs. The hotel offers ghost tours, where visitors can learn about its haunted history and experience the strange occurrences for themselves. If you're looking for a chilling, yet luxurious stay in a place filled with ghostly activity, the Stanley Hotel is a must-see. 2. The Queen Mary, Long Beach, USA. The Queen Mary, a former British ocean liner turned hotel in Long Beach, California, is one of the most haunted places in the United States. Known for its luxurious amenities during its years as an ocean liner, the Queen Mary has a darker side, thanks to its history as a military ship during World War II. Many believe that the spirits of the soldiers and passengers who died aboard the ship still roam its decks. The Queen Mary is now a popular destination for ghost tours, and thrill seekers can spend the night in one of its haunted rooms. If you're brave enough, you can even take part in a paranormal investigation to see if you can capture any eerie encounters of your own. 3. The Cecil Hotel, Los Angeles, USA. The Cecil Hotel, now known as Stay on Main, is one of the most infamous hotels in the world, and its dark history has left it with a chilling reputation. Located in downtown Los Angeles, the hotel has been the site of numerous suicides, murders, and mysterious deaths, making it a hotspot for paranormal activity. Guests who have stayed at the Cecil Hotel have reported hearing voices, feeling cold spots, and seeing figures in the hallways. The hotel's history, paired with its disturbing past, makes it a chilling place to visit, though it has attracted many ghost hunters and thrill seekers over the years. The Cecil Hotel's dark past continues to haunt its guests, making it one of the most terrifying hotels in the world. 4. The Banff Springs Hotel, Alberta, Canada. The Banff Springs Hotel, also known as the Castle of the Rockies, is a luxurious hotel located in Banff National Park in Alberta, Canada. Built in 1888, this stunning hotel is surrounded by breathtaking mountain views, but beneath its grandeur lies a haunted history. One of the most famous ghost stories associated with the hotel is the tale of a bride who tragically died in an accident on her wedding day. The bride is said to haunt the hotel's ballroom, where she is often seen in her wedding dress, wandering alone. Other guests have reported seeing a ghostly bellman in old-fashioned attire, particularly near the grand staircase, and hearing eerie sounds late at night, such as footsteps and knocks on doors. While the Banff Springs Hotel is still a luxury destination, its haunted reputation draws many thrill seekers who are hoping to catch a glimpse of its resident spirits. The combination of stunning scenery and ghostly encounters makes this a unique, yet spooky, vacation spot. 5. The Palazzo del Duca, Italy. In Venice, Italy, the Palazzo del Duca is a beautiful 14th century mansion that has been converted into a hotel. But behind the elegance and charm of this historic building lies a dark and mysterious history that has made it one of the scariest hotels in the world. In addition to its eerie atmosphere, the Palazzo del Duca is known for its beautiful architecture and luxurious accommodations. However, its haunted reputation adds an element of thrill to the stay, especially for those interested in the paranormal. 6. The Langham Hotel, London, UK. The Langham Hotel, located in the heart of London, is one of the oldest and most luxurious hotels in the city. But with its long history comes a dark side. The hotel has been the site of numerous paranormal occurrences for over a century, and it's considered one of the most haunted hotels in England. Guests at the Langham Hotel have reported hearing strange noises, seeing shadows moving in the corners of rooms, and feeling an unsettling presence. One of the most famous ghost stories is that of a German prince who allegedly committed suicide in one of the rooms. His ghost is said to appear in the hotel, particularly in the early hours of the morning, when he is seen roaming the halls. The Langham is an iconic luxury hotel that attracts both tourists and ghost hunters alike. Its reputation for paranormal activity makes it an intriguing place to stay, combining historical luxury with spine-chilling experiences. 7. The Ryujong Hotel, Pyongyang, North Korea. The Ryujong Hotel in Pyongyang, North Korea, is one of the most mysterious and eerie buildings in the world. It stands as an imposing 105-story pyramid-shaped skyscraper that has been under construction since the 1980s. The hotel has never been officially opened, and its completion remains uncertain, contributing to its ghostly reputation. Though the hotel remains closed to the public, its eerie appearance and long-standing construction woes have made it a subject of curiosity and fear. The Ryujong Hotel is a haunting reminder of the power of unfinished dreams and the eerie calm that fills its hollowed structure. 8. The Poveglia Island Hotel, Venice, Italy. Poveglia Island, located near Venice, Italy, is considered one of the most haunted places on Earth. This small island was once used as a quarantine station for those infected with the plague and later became a mental asylum. The spirits of the deceased, along with those who lived and died in the asylum, are believed to haunt the island. The island's haunting reputation has made it a popular location for ghost tours and paranormal investigations. Visitors have reported hearing strange voices, screams, and whispers in the air, especially at night. The most famous ghost is that of a doctor who allegedly performed horrific experiments on patients and later took his own life. His ghost is said to haunt the island, seeking redemption for his dark deeds. Poveglia Island is currently off limits to the public, but for those lucky or brave enough to visit the island on a guided tour, it offers a spine-chilling experience that's like no other. 9. The Hotel Monte Vista, Arizona, USA. The Hotel Monte Vista in Flagstaff, Arizona, has been the site of numerous ghostly encounters since it opened in 1927. Guests have reported hearing footsteps, strange voices, and the sound of furniture being moved when no one is around. The hotel's haunted reputation has attracted thrill-seekers from around the world. Some of the most famous hauntings at the Monte Vista include the ghost of a woman in a red dress who reportedly wanders the halls and the mysterious appearance of a man in the lobby. Other guests have seen ghostly children playing in the hotel's hallways or heard them giggling in the middle of the night. Despite its ghostly reputation, the Hotel Monte Vista is still a popular place to stay in Flagstaff. The combination of its history, spooky encounters, and old-world charm makes it a must-see for those interested in the paranormal. 10. The Château de Brissac, France. The Château de Brissac in France is a beautiful castle that has a dark and tragic past. Built in the 11th century, this stunning chateau is home to the ghost of Charlotte de France, the wife of the castle's former owner. Charlotte was allegedly murdered by her husband in the 15th century, and her ghost is said to haunt the chateau to this day. Guests have reported hearing strange noises, such as footsteps, doors opening and closing on their own, and whispers in the night. Some claim to have seen the ghost of Charlotte in her wedding dress, wandering the castle's halls. The chateau's beauty combined with its haunted history makes it a fascinating and eerie place to visit. From haunted mansions to ghostly encounters in luxury hotels, the world is full of chilling places where the line between the living and the dead seems to blur. These 10 spooky hotels have captivated the imaginations of thrill-seekers and ghost hunters from all over the globe. If you enjoyed this eerie journey into the world's scariest hotels, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a chilling adventure. stay spooky, and until next time, sweet dreams or not.